I'm super lit, you know? Where's the fan? Like, I need a fan. Be like, someone shut me out. I need help. I feel a little bit like a clown, but I'm feeling myself at the same time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, you might hear me talking a little bit louder because I'm trying to just be able to transmit a little bit more with you guys. So if I'm a little bit obnoxious, now you know why. This first video will actually be a little fun chit chat eyeshadow look. I already have been ready for the day because I've been running errands. I did do a couple of things that were productive today, so not too bad. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alrighty, yo. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a chit chat talk video, and I'm priming my eyelids first. So I'm using two eyeshadow palettes, and right now I'm actually just using a base to set the cream. The two eyeshadow palettes that I'm using, they're very, very similar, but I like the colors. So the first one is this Morphe 35B palette. You guys have seen me use it before, and then I'm also using this Until Sunset palette from Shani Cosmetics. I like both a lot, but you can see like this is very much of the side but extended colors, you know, like right there. Let's start off with a Morphe M533 brush and just jump into this orange right here. And I'm applying this on my crease and just work it in there. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I've made a second Instagram page for my just normal lifestyle, you know, because I like posting pictures on Instagram. So I was thinking to just open another one and post non-makeup related ones. But besides the point, on my official Instagram, I have been doing some fun looks recently on that Instagram page, and I thought, hey, why don't I come on my YouTube channel and do some fun looks, you know, and actually talk through them, because I've posted videos of those fun looks, and I won't lie, it's a long time. Like, I bring those looks down to a minute for Instagram, but for YouTube I feel like it'll be a little bit different, you know. I'm grabbing this Scone large eyeshadow brush and just grabbing the Morphe's yellow and applying that on there. Okay, I don't know if I like that. Okay, we're gonna leave it for now. Before I jump back into the yellow, I'm actually grabbing this Morphe M124 brush and this NYX Vivint Brights shadow, like this. I'm applying it onto the outer part of my eyelid. So I've really been thinking about posting these videos on here, mainly because most of the time I'm unsure of what I want to do, you know, like I just jump and go for it. I don't have much of a game plan, or I don't really test out the products before I do it, you know. So I don't know if you guys would be interested in that. Like today's video, that's what it is. And I'm really, really hoping that it comes out looking pretty decent. So I'm grabbing this, the same orange shade, and putting it on top of that pigment that I applied, just so that we like set it, it doesn't move, but the orange looks more vibrant, you know, like you see that, just blending this out with more powder, more green, because green is life. Okay, since I didn't really like that yellow, I'm gonna go with a different yellow, which is this NYX yellow color in STFU. What the? Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm grabbing that and applying it with this brush right there. You can see it better, right? It's looking a little green. So I should have put some different cream on top, but that's okay. Y'all know you could go in and clean it up with concealer or something. I am packing this on there, honey. Recently, for the whole eye looks and makeup products and makeup looks and everything that I end up doing, I just moved the camera, so if it looks different, that's fine. I've been loving to do like the simple, easy, pretty, awesome looks. So this is really all I'm gonna do with my eyes. I'm gonna line it. I'm using this e.l.f. eyeliner just because it's cheap, it's creamy, and it's good. It doesn't last that long though, so if you're looking for a water resistant eyeliner, I will not suggest this for that. And we're gonna go big with the wing, okay? So don't be afraid, that's the whole point of these videos. I don't do wings often, so if I'm quiet or if I skip through this part, you all know why. There we go. Our wing is set. I'm debating where I want to put the little fire emojis because I have just decided that I'm going to add some little fire emojis. So, these little fire emojis, where are we going to put them? We can put them on the side, or we could do a whole big upside down fire emoji, or we could put gold here and then put the fire emojis here, or fill it all up with little fires. What do I want to do? We'll add the glitter down here and in here, and then we'll do the little fire emojis. I'm gonna grab just a lip liner, okay? It's like a gray color. I'm using this lip liner from Gerard Cosmetics, and it's a lip liner called Underground, so it's very like browny taupey shade. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, y'all see this part? Okay. I can't even do it right now. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna grab it. Just got nails and they're super long. I haven't had nails in like 3 months because I was using my press-on nails from this amazing gal named Wendy. I'll leave her information down in the description box below. Check her out, but she was amazing. She's been awesome. So I haven't been using these acrylics until like yesterday, and I'm dying because I stabbed my eyes, I hit my head, I hit my hands. I'm like, what am I doing? Yeah, true story. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go make the little base, and I'm guessing we're gonna go for very big fire emojis. Looks something like that, right? Oh, hold on. Yeah, maybe. Okay, we'll see how it looks, these little fire emojis. If I don't like it, we're gonna clean it up. Simple as that. But y'all can try it at home. Go outside of your comfort zone. Go do something you like. Or something risky. I don't know. Y'all see that? Like, it's not clean. It's not perfect. It's okay though. We're gonna make it work. Okay, I'm gonna end up killing you guys at the end of this video. I swear. Y'all are gonna hate me or something if I continue saying Okay, I'm going back in with the Vivid Brights from NYX. I'm going to use the same little brush that I used and apply this at the base of the little fire. And leave the tips of the fire clean because we're gonna jump in with the orange or the yellow. So it looks like a peach right now. And it's okay if you get out of the lines for now. That's fine. That's fine, my boo. We're gonna make it work. You know, we're gonna make it work. 23 minutes and this is all I've accomplished. Wow. I'm going in with the yellow now. Same brush because it's tiny and it'll fit. Okay, apply the yellow. on those little edges and blend it down. Apply the orange on top of that to set it. Oh, that's cute. It's coming along. Ooh. If y'all try doing this makeup look, tag me and let me see your art skills, because we all gotta start somewhere, right? And by that I mean me. Maybe y'all are pros already and just decided to stop and watch my video. Watch me try to attempt to do that. They told me to be a little bit more outgoing on my videos. I don't know if this is outgoing enough or if I'm just making a fool out of myself. I'm going back in with the black eyeliner and this pencil or brush thing, and I'm going to line.
You were just pain when you felt it all. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first.
This takes longer than it feels like it, guys. I did not think this through. Who decides to put little fire emojis on their face? Like, I could have just done stickers or something. Do you guys see that? Okay. Okay, maybe not the best little fire emoji, but y'all can see what it is. There we go. Fire emojis. I don't know what this is. I swear. I don't know why I did this. I don't know what I'm doing right now with my life. We will make it look not bad. Okay? Trust me. Trust me, guys. Like, y'all are gonna be mind blown once you see the final result. I'm gonna be mind blown once I see the final result of this fiery look. Oh, God help me. Grabbing a small concealer brush and a concealer palette by Shani Cosmetics. I'm going to grab some concealer and just clean up the edges. We got fire emojis, guys! Yay! The next part will be trial and error. I'm trying it out. I'm probably gonna have an error. Y'all figure it out, okay? So, before I jump into it, I'm gonna grab yellow eyeshadow and just mock what I have going on my eyelids. The gag at how I'm only using 2 eyeshadows. Really, yeah, just go buy yourself some yellow and some orange, like some of the most unused colors, and create this look with me. Okay, grabbing Weightless Makeup Adhesive Bondage Glue thing from Urban Decay. Okay, I gotta be careful with this actually. I'm gonna have a close-up mirror because I don't want it on my lashes. I want it underneath my lashes. So I'm gonna grab this and apply some. In a little triangle form. Okay? Okay. I'm gonna tap it or pat it out. And I'm gonna grab some NYX Gold eyeshadow. Oh, I can already see the gold flickers falling off and making a mess. Grab some and apply. So I'm crying gold now. I like how it looks, but I don't like how it looks at the same time. And I'm getting my glasses dirty. Hold on. So what I'm gonna do, grab a little bit more of this bondage thingamabob on the brush. I have some red glitter. You don't find red glitter anywhere, but I got some red glitter. I'm going to apply some on the brush. Just be careful with it because it's very pigmented. I'm gonna apply it at the base or the top part.
You were just pain when you
We're gonna leave it at that. It's a little bit orangey looking, and I'm okay with that. We're applying the red first, this time. There we go. Then applying the gold on top. And as if that amount of glitter's not enough, I'm gonna grab some and apply some to the inner corners of our eyeballs. For our inner corner, we're really just using the gold, though. I ain't trying to do something super, super poppin' red. Now, since that is not enough, glitter. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna grab this, and we're going to dot some at the base of the little fire emoji. Yeah, I'm going there, guys. And grab some of the red glitter. Just so that the little glitter emoji is firing up. Since my eyeballs are crying glitter, I gotta do something dramatic at the top, you know? We went there, guys. I have, which ones? The Lily Lashes Mykonos lashes on my eyelids, so that way we're legit shining. And since my bottom eyes look a little bit bare, I'm gonna put some mascara on the lower lashes. We're gonna amp it up a little bit more with the lips. So I'm using the lip liner from Gerard Cosmetics, lining my lips. We're gonna use the Sephora red lipstick. Yeah, we're going red. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it tonight. So guys, this is the final look. It is very lit. Let me know what you think down in the comment box below about this look. Like, is this something you would try? Is this something you would like to continue seeing on my channel? Just trying random looks and try and create something random. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, make sure you like this video, and you comment down in the box below what you think about this look. If you love it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys have an amazing day, night, whatever it is, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys. So I'm inserting this clip in here into my video because, hello. Just the perfect thing. Dude, this is like so perfect. I feel, oh, I did backwards. That's what it was. Y'all understand my video. I look so cute.